Hey everyone! I recently finished this media console and wanted to share with you the hinges and support that I used for the drop-down door. Rockler sells these supports along with the drop hinges that I used. The supports are available in a variety of torque ratings and can be used with any type of 90-degree folding hinge. The hinges I chose are the SDH-001 model. Both sets of instructions give you all the information that you will need for mounting them. The support locks the door when open and then offers a soft close feature when it's closing. I just wanted to share this with you as I had trouble finding information on what type of support to use for this application. I hope this helps some of you who may have a project where this would be a good solution. I will have links listed below in the description of both the support and hinges that I used on this project. I'm Casey with CReeves Makes, and thanks for watching.